Hi, this is Will Johnson, Renovation Loan Consultant. I wanted to talk to you about one of the key benefits of a renovation loan. If you're considering any moderate renovations like kitchen, bathroom remodels, or adding a master suite, or now adding an ADU granny flat, most homeowners could refinance to utilize equity to cover the renovation costs. If you don't have sufficient equity, one of the biggest advantages of a renovation loan is the full amount is based off of the future value of the properties with improvements. It gives you a larger construction budget to work with. Renovation loans allows for most types of moderate and major improvements. That includes a master suite, kitchen, bathroom remodel, and adding an ADU granny flat. Some of the other advantages with these renovation loans is it actually leverages to tap into untapped equity. It puts that equity back into your prized asset to enjoy for years to come, but it also increases your equity appreciation. In other words, your home valued at 500,000 is now appreciating at 650,000 based off of the future value. Life is short. These loans can get you into these dream renovations for you to enjoy for years to come. We've created a network of professionals that have teamed up to create a seamless process from inception to construction completion. Our network includes financial loan specialists, architects, and contractors. We always recommend to first determine financing. So we've put together a brief worksheet. It doesn't require any kind of a loan application, doesn't require any kind of FICO scoring. So we always recommend to fill out our worksheet first. We'll be happy to answer any questions. Thank you.